Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be going over the odd questions from today's review. Okay, so in number one, let me try to zoom in, there we go. Number one, I need to factor a bunch of stuff because I want to try to get rid of my denominators. So in the top part, I have 24 and 10, factors of 24 that add up to 10, 6, and 4. So this would be x plus 6, x plus 4. And then the denominator, I have negative 15, negative 2. That would be what, negative 5 and 3. So x minus 5, x plus 3. And then same thing here, x minus 5, x minus 3. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and erase this. And then I'll write all of this out to the side over here. Okay, so I know I need to multiply by x minus 5 and then x plus 3 to cancel everything out, okay? So, again, I'm just going to show all of my work and then cancel. So there's the first one over x minus, I'm definitely going to run out of room, x minus 5, x plus 3 equals, here, let's do this. There we go. Okay. Equals x, I'm doing this to this, this to this, this to this. So x plus 3, x minus 5 over x minus 5, and then plus x plus 3, x minus 5 over x minus 5, x minus 3. Okay. So we can cancel things now. So this all cancels and I'm just left with x plus 6, x plus 4. The x minus 5 cancels, so I'm left with x plus 3. And then this all, excuse me, hiccup, this all cancels to just to be a 1. Okay, I need now to go ahead and distribute this. We already have it up here. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy and paste. And then I'm going to go ahead and combine like terms. So this is a x plus 4. And I'm going to subtract my x over here. Subtract my 4. So I get x squared minus plus 9x plus 20 equals 0. I can factor this one. Factors of 20 that add up to 9 are 4 and 5. So x plus 4. X plus 5, this equals 0. So if I know I set both of these equal to 0, oops, I'm going to get x equals 4. That's a terrible 4. Maybe erase it. X equals 4 and x equals 5. And then if you, nope, complete lie. Negative. This is why you shouldn't rush, because I'm rushing and I shouldn't rush. There we go, negative. Because you subtract the 4 over, you subtract the 5 over, so it's negative. Go back up to the denominator. Okay, let's erase some of this. If I plug in negative 5 and negative 4 into any of these, I'll be okay. This one, and like the one I erased here, you might want to be nervous about, but it's a negative 5, so negative 5 minus 5 is negative 10, so we're okay. If it was a positive 5, that would be a different story. Okay, let me erase. Okay, number 3, we need to factor. Okay, so factors of 25 that add up to 10 are 5 and 5. And factors of, sorry, I should write this out for you guys. So factors of 25 that add up to 10 are 5 and 5. And then factors of negative 40 that add up to negative 3. Let's see, that would be negative 8 and 6, or 5, sorry, 5. Yeah, negative 8. That's a negative 8 and 5. Yep, okay. So, yeah. P minus 8 and P plus 5. The p plus 5's cancel, so we are left with p plus 5 over p minus 8. Okay, number 5, sorry, it's crooked. We are dividing, so that means we need to flip. So yes, we have to factor a lot of stuff first, but we also need to flip this. So let's go ahead and factor the first fraction. I forgot the word for fraction. Negative 48 adds up to 2. That'd be 6 and 8, right? Well, negative 6. Yeah. So this will be a plus 8 and a minus 6. In my denominator, I'm going to take out a 10, and I get a minus 6. Then I'm going to flip this, and I'm also going to factor it. Okay, so I'm going to take out a 3a, and I'm left with a plus 2. Yeah, and then I take out a 3a, and I'm left with a plus 8. Yeah, okay. So then we're going to go ahead and cancel things. So you can cancel vertically and you can cancel diagonally, but you can't cancel horizontally. We multiply horizontally. So I'm going to cancel my a minus 6, the 3 a's, and then the a plus 8 and the a plus 8. Okay, so when I multiply horizontally, I'm left with a plus 2 over 10. Okay, and the last one in this video. Did we do adding and subtracting? I don't remember. Okay, we did not. So this, I'm going to have to insert a lesson, and I'm not going to edit this video. I'm tired. Okay, so adding and subtracting. We need to find, like, denominators, okay? So I'm going to multiply this one by, come on, m minus 2, or m plus 2. And m plus 2, and this one is m minus 5, m minus 5. So I have 5 times m minus 5 over m plus 2, m minus 5, plus 2m, it's an m, let me erase that. There we go. 2m, m plus 2 over m minus 5, m plus 2. Okay. So from there, we have the like denominators. You don't actually add the denominators. We add the numerators. So we have, we'll distribute later. So we're going to do 5m times m minus 5 plus 2m, m plus 2, all over m plus 2, m minus 5. And then I'm going to distribute here and here, 5m squared minus 25m, and then plus 2m squared plus 4m. Combine like terms, and you're left with 7m squared minus 21m. Remember, this was just the numerator. So I still have to put it over the denominator, which is m plus 2 and m minus 5. Okay, now you could factor the numerator down and see if it'll cancel with the denominator. So if I take out that 7m, I'm left with m minus 3. So nothing will cancel. So I'll take either one. I think the answer key on the worksheet has it like this, but technically this is more simplified. Okay, but either answer is totally fine. Okay, those are the odds.